Welcome to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam Practice Test. Our topic today is practice test number 3. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. Number 1. Which of the following storage mechanisms can be used to store and reliably deliver messages effectively across distributed systems? A. Amazon SQS. B. Amazon Glacier. C. Amazon EBS Volumes. D. Amazon EBS Snapshots. The correct answer is A. Amazon SQS. Explanation. Amazon's Simple Queue service, Amazon SQS, offers a reliable, highly scalable hosted queue for storing messages as they travel between applications or microservices. It moves data between distributed application components and helps you decouple these components. Amazon Glacier is used for backups and data archiving. Amazon EBS Volumes can only be used as a mountable disk drive for Amazon EC2 or Amazon RDS. Amazon EBS Snapshots are backups for your EBS volumes. Number 2. What does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk provide? A. A scalable cluster of EC2 instances. B. A scalable storage appliance on top of Amazon Web Services. C. An application container on top of Amazon Web Services. D. A service by this name doesn't exist. The correct answer is C. An application container on top of Amazon Web Services. Explanation. AWS Elastic Beanstalk makes it easy for developers to quickly deploy and manage applications in the AWS cloud. Developers simply upload their application code, and Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles the deployment details of capacity provisioning, load balancing, auto-scaling, and application health monitoring. Number 3. Where to go to search for and buy third-party software solutions and services that run on AWS? A. Resource groups. B. AWS Marketplace. C. AWS Application Discovery Service. D. AWS DevPay. The correct answer is B. AWS Marketplace. Explanation. AWS Marketplace is a curated digital catalog that makes it easy for customers to find, buy, deploy, and manage third-party software and services that customers need to build solutions and run their businesses. AWS Marketplace includes thousands of software listings from popular categories such as security, networking, storage, machine learning, business intelligence, database, and DevOps. AWS Marketplace also simplifies software licensing and procurement. Number 4. Miller is working with a large dataset and he needs to import it into a relational database service. What AWS service will meet his needs? A. DynamoDB. B. Neptune. C. Elasticsearch. D. RDS. The correct answer is D. RDS. Explanation. RDS is the AWS's relational database service. Answer A is not correct because DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service. Answer B is not correct because Neptune is a graph database built for the cloud. Answer C is not correct because Elasticsearch is an in-memory data store and cache service. Number 5. You have been tasked with auditing the security of your VPC. As part of this process, you need to start by analyzing what traffic is allowed to and from various EC2 instances. What two parts of the VPC do you need to check to accomplish this task? A. NACLs and subnets. B. Security groups and NACLs. C. NACLs and traffic manager. D. Security groups and internet gateways. The correct answer is B. Security groups and NACLs. Explanation. Security groups and NACLs are the two parts of the VPC security layer. Security groups are a firewall at the instance layer, and NACLs are a firewall at the subnet layer. Number 6. Which of the following AWS services can assist you with cost optimization? A. AWS WAF. B. AWS Inspector. C. AWS Trusted Advisor. D. AWS Shield. The correct answer is C. AWS Trusted Advisor. Explanation. AWS Trusted Advisor is an application that draws upon best practices learned from AWS aggregated operational history of serving hundreds of thousands of AWS customers. Trusted Advisor inspects your AWS environment and makes recommendations for saving money, improving system performance, and closing security gaps. AWS WAF is a firewall. Amazon Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. AWS Shield is used to protect your web applications from distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. Number 7. On the monthly statement, there is a section where you can see the charges for outbound data transfer. What is the name of that section? A. AWS Data Transfer Out. B. AWS Outbound Data Transfer. C. AWS Outbound. D. AWS Out Transfer. The correct answer is A. AWS Data Transfer Out. Explanation. Outbound data transfer is aggregated across services and then charged at the outbound data transfer rate. This charge appears on the monthly statement as AWS Data Transfer Out. Number 8. You need to permanently prevent anyone from terminating running instances in your production environment. What steps should you take? A. Create a role document that denies EC2 termination and attach it to all existing IAM identities. B. Create a role document that allows EC2 termination and attach it to all existing IAM identities. C. Create a policy document that allows EC2 termination and attach it to all existing IAM identities. D. Create a policy document that denies EC2 termination and attach it to all existing IAM identities. The correct answer is D. Create a policy document that denies EC2 termination and attach it to all existing IAM identities. Explanation. You create IAM identities to provide authentication for people and processes in your AWS account. If you want to prevent those identities from performing any action in your production environment, simply create a policy document that denies this action and attach it to the identities you want. Number 9. Your company expects a response time of less than 15 minutes from support interactions about their business-critical systems that are hosted on AWS. Which support plan is best suited to meet this requirement? A. Enterprise. B. Developer. C. Basic. D. Business. The correct answer is A. Enterprise. Explanation. AWS support plans provide different response times based on the case's severity. The Enterprise plan provides general guidance within 24 hours. However, if the case involves a business-critical system being down, the company will get a response within 15 minutes. Number 10. Which of the following factors should you consider when determining the region in which you will deploy resources? A. The number of VPC As you plan to have. B. Data sovereignty and cost. C. Proximity to your company's location. D. The level of security of the region. The correct answer is B. Data sovereignty and cost. Explanation. Proximity to your end users, compliance, data residency constraints, and cost are factors you have to consider when choosing the most suitable AWS region. Answer A is not correct because the number of VPCs available is constant across all regions. Answer C is not correct because proximity to your company's location does not matter as much as proximity to your end users. Answer D is not correct because the level of security is almost the same for all AWS regions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.